Dear students, let's see this question. A parallel plate capacitor having plate area S and plate separation D has a capacitance C1 in air. When two dielectrics of different relative permittivities epsilon 1 is equal to 2 and epsilon 2 is equal to 4 are introduced between the two plates as shown in the figure, the capacitance becomes C2. The ratio of C2 by C1 is the ratio of C2 by C1. Here what you say, and again this question is given in JW Advanced 2015. JW Advanced 2015. Now he is saying that diagram is given like this, and this one is of that constant epsilon 2 and the remaining is epsilon 1. Initially, if there is no dielectric, the capacitance is C1. And with the dielectric, the capacitance is C2. And he is asking C2 by C1. Now we will see, for example, with no dielectric. C is equal to epsilon naught. He is given as C1. C1 is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon A by D. Then I will write this one as C. So C1 I will write as C. It is the first one. C1 how much I got? C. Now with the dielectric we have to calculate. See, if you observe this dielectric, if you modify this capacitor, it will be like this. This one. This is of epsilon 1, epsilon 1, epsilon 1 and epsilon 2. If you observe, again if you want to modify this one, it will be two capacitors in series, and with that this one is in parallel. I hope you understand. These two are in series, with that this one is in parallel. So we know how to calculate. And first I will write, I will give name as P, Q and this is R. Why? Because I cannot able to give 1, 2. Already 1, 2 is mentioned in the question. That's why this is P, capacitance Q and capacitance R. We know the formula C is equal to general formula epsilon D by D. I will apply here. So capacitance P can be written as epsilon naught. Here epsilon 1. Epsilon 1 is given as 2 epsilon naught A by D. What is here? A by 2. Area becomes half A by 2 and thickness is half. So D by 2. So we will get here Cp is equal to this two get cancelled, 2 epsilon naught A by D, which can be written as Cp is equal to 2 into C. Cp is equal to 2 into C. Now we will calculate Q, CQ. CQ can be written as CQ. Again CQ is equal to epsilon, how much is here? 4. So 4 epsilon naught, area becomes half, so A by 2 and thickness becomes half, so D by 2. So again this two get cancelled. CQ is equal to 4 epsilon naught A by D. So CQ can be written as, we can write 4C. We can write here 4C. CQ can be written as 4C. Now CR I will calculate. CR can be written as, CR value here epsilon 1 is 2. So here 2 epsilon naught, area becomes half and thickness is D. So becomes 2 to get cancelled. CR is equal to epsilon naught A by D, which can be written as simply C. That means this is having a capacitance of 2C and this is having a capacitance of 4C and this is having a capacitance of C. Now we can write here these two are in parallel. In parallel formula 1 by C effective can be written as 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C effective can be written as 1 by C common. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, which can be written as 1 by C into 4 plus 2, 6 by 8. And with 2 it will go 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 C. So here C effective can be written as 4 C by 3. And we know this one and this one is in parallel. If this one and this one is in parallel, the effective capacitance is given as C2. So therefore C2 can be written as 4C by 3 plus this is C. So C2 can be written as 4C plus 3C by 3, which is equal to 7C by 3. I got C2 is equal to 7C by 3. But what is C? What is C? C is nothing but C1. So I will modify this one as C2 is equal to 7C1 by 3. C2 is equal to 7C1 by 3. But what is asking here? C2 by C1. So C2 by C1. So here C2 by C1 can be written as 7 by 3. This will be the final answer. 7 by 3. Again I am saying, even though it is advanced level questions, questions are coming from the basic concepts which we can solve easily. We have to understand the question and we have to solve line by line, step by step, so that we will get the answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.